Hello, ma. What's your name today?
My name is Kafayat.
Continue to do the.
Okay, ma'am. How are you today?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Thank you for attending our Get Online session. So how have you found it?
Well, I find it interesting and helpful because some of the things I couldn't do on the form before, so it was, they were trying to show me, how to do it, and I'm learning slowly, and I'm sure I will get there eventually.
Okay, is there one thing that you're happy that you've learned today?
I'm happy to learn about how to download app, what we're just doing recently just now, because I don't know how to do it. Normally I get the children to help me to do it, but at least now I know what to do.
Okay. I'm so glad that there's one thing you can boast about and say, yep, I can do this myself. So thank you for attending. So we'll see you. How long have you been coming?
This is my first time.
Yippee! Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving us your views. Okay, we'll see you next week.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.